In today's video, I will walk you through how to add momentum in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the main chart tools are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. This is where you can access the full list of indicators available for your chart. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators menu. Inside the menu, select Add Indicator. This will bring up a list of available indicators that you can add to your chart. Once the list appears, scroll through the available options or use the search box to find momentum more quickly. Click inside the search box and type momentum to locate it faster. When momentum appears in the results, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the indicator will automatically be applied and will appear on your chart view. Take a brief moment to confirm it has loaded correctly and is responding properly to your current chart movement before continuing. Now move your focus to the indicator that has been added. You will see momentum displayed as part of your chart layout. From here, you can proceed to adjust its configuration. Look for the Settings option associated with the momentum indicator and click on Settings. This will open the customization panel for the indicator. Inside the Settings panel, review the available options that control how momentum appears on your chart. Make any adjustments you need directly within this menu based on your preference. You can also fine-tune sensitivity and visual behavior to better match your trading approach and improve readability. As you make changes, the chart will update instantly, so you can clearly see the effect of each adjustment in real time. Once you have finished making changes, exit the Settings panel to return to your chart. The momentum indicator will remain active and continue displaying on your chart, with the updated settings applied. You can continue analyzing your chart while the indicator stays in place. That is how you add momentum in Robinhood Legend. Locate it through the Indicators menu, apply it to your chart, and customize it using the Settings panel.